Unboxing front lower control arms for 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. Lower control arm assembly showcase. A pair of front lower control arms. Sway bar links. Tools required for replacing Chevrolet Cruze front lower control arms. Large electric impact wrench. T40 Torx bit socket. Small ratcheting wrench. 13mm wrench. 15mm wrench. 18mm wrench. 18mm ratcheting wrench. Ball joint separator. Torque wrench. Pry bar. Trim tool. 6mm hex bit socket. 15mm deep socket. 18mm deep socket. Or 19mm deep socket. Remove the hubcap. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use a trim tool to remove the ABS speed sensor clip. Place the wire harness aside. Use a 15mm deep socket with a 15mm wrench. Remove the lower control arm ball joint fastener nut. Use a ball joint separator to assist in removing the lower control arm ball joint stud. Remove the stud. Use an 18mm deep socket with an 18mm wrench. Remove the lower control arm to subframe bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt and nut. Remove the bolt. Remove the nut. Use a pry bar to assist. Separate the lower control arm from the subframe connection. Remove the lower control arm. Use a T40 Torx bit socket with an 18mm ratcheting wrench. Remove the sway bar link fastener nut. Remove the nuts. Remove the sway bar link. New sway bar link showcase. Remove the nut. Hand thread the nut. Use an 18mm ratcheting wrench with a 6mm hex bit. Tighten the sway bar link fastener bolt. Hand thread the nut. Use an 18mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Tighten the sway bar link bolt. Tighten to 70 Newton meters or 52 foot-pounds. Lower control arm assembly showcase. Loosen the rear bushing bolt of the lower control arm. Adjust the position for easier installation. Remove the ball joint protector cover. Prepare to install the lower control arm. Position the new lower control arm. Hand thread the rear bushing mounting bolt. Hand thread the nuts. Hand thread the front lower control arm bolt. Hand thread the nut. Install the lower control arm ball joint. Hand thread the stud and nut. Use a 15mm wrench with a 15mm deep socket. Tighten the lower control arm ball joint fastener nut. Use a 15mm wrench, 15mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Tighten the lower control arm ball joint fastener nut. Tighten to 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds. Use an 18mm wrench with an 18mm deep socket. Tighten the lower control arm to subframe bolt. Use an 18mm wrench with an 18mm deep socket and a torque wrench. Tighten the lower control arm to subframe bolt. Tighten to 120 Newton meters or 89 foot-pounds. Use a 13mm wrench. Tighten the rear control arm bushing mounting bolt. Use an 18mm wrench as a cheater bar. Install the tire. Hand thread the lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Snug the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Tighten the lug nuts. Tighten to 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds.